the serum on your face and on your neck. Now this you're gonna apply on top of your toner. So after you wash your face, just splash on your facial toner on your skin, and then you're gonna go. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be making a facial serum. Now a facial serum helps to repair the skin. It's normally a lightweight and most time it is water based. A facial serum will just penetrate deep into that epidermis and it will help to plump the skin up. It will help to boost the collagen production in the skin and reduce wrinkles and fine lines. Now this facial serum is rich in anti-aging properties. Anti-aging properties that once used on a regular on your skin can help to transform your skin from dull skin to a more radiant, naturally glowing, younger looking skin. So if you're interested in the recipe for this facial serum, do not click off, just continue watching the video. I'm going to share a full detailed recipe, and at the end of the video I'm also going to show you how to use this on your skin for best result. Now to make our hydrating anti-aging facial moisturizer, our first ingredient is rose water. And rose water is very hydrating to the skin. Rose water will help to balance the pH level of the skin. It also sets the foundation for your facial serum and your facial moisturizer to work better on the skin. It has been used for centuries on the skin to keep your skin looking younger and fresher. So I'm going to be using about a tablespoon of the rose water. Let's pour this in. And next we're going to reach for our second ingredient. And our second ingredient is a very popular ingredient for the skin. This is vitamin E. And vitamin E comes in liquid. It also comes in capsule and a wide variety of colors. This one is all brownish and you also have them in green. It doesn't matter. What is most important is the IU. Here I have 1000 IU. However, you can use higher or even lower IU for this recipe. So I'm going to use about a half a teaspoon of vitamin E oil, and this capsule here contains about a half a teaspoon. So let's squeeze this in. And next we're going to reach for my third ingredient, and this is aloe vera gel. Today I choose to use the store-bought aloe vera gel since this is going to be a leave-on facial moisturizer. Now aloe vera gel hydrates the skin, keep the skin cool. It also helps to clear hyperpigmentation on the skin. Aloe vera gel is good for sunburn. It makes a great ingredient to use in your facial moisturizer. So I'm using about a tablespoon of the aloe vera gel, and this aloe vera gel is rich in vitamin C. So let's pour this in, 1 tablespoon. Now because we have vitamin C in this, if you're using an aloe vera gel with no vitamin C, you can choose to use a drop of orange essential oil in this recipe. And now let's move on to my next ingredient, which is my final ingredient. Take a look at my final ingredient. Here I have some pomegranate seed gel. This is very hydrating, very moisturizing. It helps to boost collagen. It helps to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. This is 92% pomegranate seed gel. If you know anything about pomegranate, you know that it will help to transform the skin once used on a regular. So we're going to use about a tablespoon of the pomegranate seed gel, and we're going to add this in. So now let's pour this in. 1 tablespoon pomegranate seed gel. And now that we have all the ingredients, let's recap. We're using a tablespoon of rose water. We're using a teaspoon of vitamin E oil. We're using 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. And we're using 1 tablespoon of pomegranate seed gel. And now what we're going to do, we are going to blend all of these together. Now today I'm going to use a small whisk to whisk this together. However, if you do not have a whisk, go ahead and use a fork or even add this to your blender and blend. Now let's take a look. Here we have our facial serum, our anti-aging facial serum. Take a look at this up close, nice and creamy and water based. And the only oil that we have in this is a little bit of a vitamin E oil, which we use as a preservative. So now let's pour this in our storage jar. You can use any small container like this or even a whole moisturizer jar. Just make sure to wash and sterilize. Now let's pour this in. Make sure to get everything out. And here it is, your anti-aging facial serum. Now this serum is going to be used on top of your facial toner. So you're going to wash your face like you normally do. Pat dry, spritz on some facial toner. And then you're going to reach for your serum. And all you need is 1 to 2 drops on the skin. That's about right. And you are going to apply the serum on your face and on your neck. Now this you're going to apply on top of your toner. So after you wash your face, just splash on your facial toner on your skin. And then you're going to go back in with your hands and you're going to massage it on your skin. If you have forehead wrinkles, massage this on your forehead the way I'm showing you here. And then we're just going to let this glide on the skin. This serum is good to use under your eyes. Let it glide on the skin. And don't forget the neck. Apply it on your neck, upward strokes. Press it on the skin. And that is it. That is how you use this serum on the skin. So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and leave your comments. Give me an ingredient that you'd add to this facial serum. Comment. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.